Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python web frameworks are essential for building web applications, and Flask and FastAPI are two popular choices. Flask is a lightweight and flexible web framework, while FastAPI is known for its high performance and automatic API documentation generation. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of building a simple web application using Flask and FastAPI. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. It's a good practice to use a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. Open a terminal and run the following commands. Install Flask and FastAPI using pip. Create a file named app.py and add the following code. Save the file and run the Flask app. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see Hello, Flask. Create a file named api.py and add the following code. Save the file and run the FastAPI app. Visit http://127.0.0.1:8000/ in your web browser, and you should see a JSON response with the message Hello, FastAPI. You can use both Flask and FastAPI in the same project. Create a file named app_with_api.py and add the following code. Save the file and run both Flask and FastAPI apps. In another terminal, run the FastAPI app. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ for Flask and http://127.0.0.1:8000/ API for FastAPI. This tutorial covered the basics of building a simple web application using Flask and a RESTful API using FastAPI. You can now explore more features and functionalities provided by these frameworks to build more complex web applications. Happy coding! ChatGPT